Okay, so how do we log into Google? How do we log into Book Creator? I come to Google and I type here Book Creator, enter, and I can see this is their logo, which has like a book, like my t-shirt here, and it has rainbow. So this is the logo, and I know I'm in the correct place. Click here. And Mate, where did you tell me I should click? Login. Up it is black here. I don't click for students, I don't click for teachers, I don't click for school, I click login. Now, no, wait. It will show like this, correct? Yes. Okay. Sometimes, so this says student and it has a smiley face. Sometimes it might show like this. It's an owl and it says teacher. So you need to switch to student because you're students, you're not teachers. Where do I click? Huh. Sign in with Google. This is like Seesaw until now, yes? Okay. So I click my email. I click put my password. And then I'm going to discover I cannot see anything. Before when you saw, it's because I practiced with grade 2B, okay? You're going to open it like this. I'm going to give you a code as a teacher to join a library, okay? So, 1 minute, I'll put the code. So, I put my password, my code for the library that my teacher, Miss Mina, sent me, and I click on go. And I'm going to see inside there is a book that she created, which I need to practice on, okay? So, as I can see, if I click here, I cannot do anything because it's the actual book. I'm inside the book, but I cannot type, I cannot do anything, okay? So, I go back to the library. You see this page is completely empty. I go back to the library and what do? I click on the 3 books here. Do you see the 3 books down here? And I make copy book. David, stop please. I make copy book. And I choose the library because sometimes you may have so many libraries, so you can choose where to put it, but you only have one library, so you choose, look, testing book creator, copy, testing book creator, it's the same place, okay? First thing I do is write my name, or write whatever Miss Mina tells me to write. Here, I'm going to write my name. No, let's say I'm a student, so let's say Wednesday Adams. Wednesday Adams, okay? Now it is loading. Now if it shows you the pencil like this, that means you can edit. You can go inside and edit. So let's see. So it tells me to write my name. What do you think, or where should I go to add a name, add a text? Use your brain, think a little bit. It's not difficult, it's made for kids. Clara. Very good. See, this is the first time you see this, right? The first time you see this. But it's logical. You come to plus, and I click on where? Text. Very good. That's similar to Seesaw, yes? Okay, Clara, choose which one do you want? The first, second, third, or fourth? Fourth one? The last one? Okay. So I'm going to write Wednesday Adams. Okay. Someone at the door? Oh, okay. Wednesday Adams. Ooh, I cannot see it. You see that? It's black. And the background, very good. How can I change the color? Uh-oh. Plus again? Wait, Clara, plus again and then? Pen? No. I have the text here, but I want to change this text. Alexia, Zura, can you sit normally, please? That's not how you sit on a chair. Here? It just turns it.
But you can put here.
No, but I want to make it bigger. I want to change the color. Mate?
Put it here.
Here?
No.
Here?
Yes.
And then?
And you try 2 times of the right.
Double click, okay.
Yes. And you put up A. And you put here's the color.
That's a good one. That's a good point. But can I make it bigger? Size?
Yes.
How?
The Dutch.
You use English, please. Click,
Click.
drag, pull it.
No, wait. At backwards.
But I don't see anything there.
No.
That's not like seesaw. No, that's not like seesaw. You should have the balls, the circles, the blue circles, and you don't have that. Okay, I'll give you a tip. Sit down. Because this is the first time you see that. Do you have a guess?
Yeah.
Anastasia, tell me.
You go of double. You can.
Double click it.
Yeah. And put on this.
But I did put on this. That's why it's blue. See? I already put it. No. That makes a line under it. Underline, huh?
Double click
Double click.
here.
Okay, let's see. Oh. So it's only one side. Oh, it didn't make it bigger. It just made it bigger inside so I can read it. Can I tell you? Can I tell you? Razvan, what? Tell me. No, that's not it. No, it's not. Trust me, it's not double click. No, this is nothing. That's nothing. That's for comments. Huh? High five. So the eye is the inspector, but pay attention. Sit down. If I shh, I'm not giving anyone any points. If I click on the eye like this, what are these? So these are backgrounds, but this is not what I want. So in order for me to change this, I have to choose it and then click eye. Eye inspector edits it. You change anything you put. So if I click here, oh, let's move it back so you can see what happens. Click eye, and as you can see, too big. Here I can put it in the middle, on the side. Oh, it's not changing much. Let's do it like this so you can see. I'll put it in the middle. Okay. This is too big, right? Now pay attention one more time. I want to make it smaller. Anything I want to edit, I have to click on it. So I click it and then go to eye and then make it smaller. Let's say I don't want the red. I come here and I can change the color. And there are more colors you can choose from. Okay, that's not the point. The point is you can also put a background only for the name, only for the color, like this. Or, is this how I edit it? What do I have to do? I have to choose it, right. Choose it, and then I don't want a background without a background. Okay, I can put a shadow. And I can put it back or in front. You see, if I click back, it disappeared. It went behind this picture. So you need to be very careful when you're using this, okay? Now, there are other options which are very, very cool. I'm going to go to the next page. In this page it says, use this page to try Book Creator however you like. Try anything you want. I need you to write 3 of your favorite activities on your free time. So, I'm going to come to the plus, text, and I'm going to write, I like music. No, I like listening to music. And I'm going to continue later, okay? Now, I want, oh, this is too big, so I choose. I can't. If people are making too many sounds and talking, and how? So I want to make it a little bit smaller. Click it, make it a bit smaller. I'll change the color to purple. No, yellow. Nah, blue. Okay, I want to put a picture with music to show people that I really like music. How can I do that? You wanna?
You can go on the finger with the.
You're not going to use it. Not even next time.
I don't know how to say.
Plus, eye inspector. Plus.
Plus.
You don't know how to say plus?
Plus.
The play. Oh.
Wait, what?
The play button.
What did this?
It plays the book how it's going to show to people. So is this how you can add photos? No. Oh, by the way, pay attention. If I put this on the side like this and click play, it doesn't exist. Outside of the book, very good. So you need to remember anything. So for example, if you put it like this, it's only half, which is not good. So you need to be very careful of where you put your stuff. So the play button is not how you, it's not how you add a photo. How do I add a photo? Huh? I need to click on something first. Think, look. But it's the same steps as I added the text. What do I click? Click on the plus and then images. And then you have two options. You can upload a photo from the computer. Let's say I have this picture here I want to put. Okay, it will take a minute. Or if I don't want it, I can delete it. I either click it and delete from the keyboard, or I choose it, come to I, and then delete down there. Do you see it? One more time. Click it, I, and delete. Okay, but to be quiet, yes. But what I like is we can search also. Let's say music. Music. Oh, I like this one with the guitars. I'll choose this one. Oh, I'll choose this one. Oh, I can choose more than one at the same time. I'll choose this one also. The colors are nice. Oh, this is cute. And this one. So I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pictures. They're all going to appear. I can do other things at the same time. But as you can see, they are very big. How do I make it small? Huh? Right. So from the corner. And what I can do, I can put it outside the book just to organize. And then I decide which one I put where. Oh, you can see that there are two of them are still loading. Okay. So let's say I put this one here. Put this one here. And I want to make a video showing that I love music. How can I make a video showing that I love music? Where do I click? Ilinka, where do I click? No. I is not information. I is called inspector. You click, but anytime you want to add something new, it's always from the same place, which is plus. Yes, plus, and then
record.
Camera. And I have to click allow or permite. Remember this? You did it at the beginning of CISO. Okay. Let's see. So I can take a photo, but I'm going to record a video. 3, 2, 1. I love all kinds of music. All of them. Bye. So I can watch a video. I love all kinds of Okay. And I like it, so I'm going to use it. Okay. Oh, you see my video is very, very big. How can I make it smaller? David? David. So, remember, you take it from the corner and you bring it inside, you make it smaller. If you drag it outside, you make it bigger. Okay? So, good. There's one more thing that is really cool about Book Creator. You know what? The pen. You click on the plus. 1 minute. Plus. Oh, you have stickers, of course. And you have the thinking bubble you can put. You also have the speech bubble you can put. Like this. Or I can make it like that. Like he's talking. Yes. And the pen is very cool, especially that you have the stylus, right? So you can use the stylus and you can color with it using the different, using the different things. So this is a marker. It's black. I'm going to choose red to show you. Ah, what is auto? This one. This is a brush. I just want you to see. I'll show you. And this is a crayon. But what's cool also, oh, the pictures just appeared. You see this one in the background? Okay, what's cool also, if let's say I choose this one, but there are glitters. And there's a rainbow one. And there is another rainbow glitter one. And the pink one. Now, what's the auto? I want to delete this. Oh, this will take forever. I'm not going to do this. So I will click done. It will appear, but it's not a problem. I can just choose it. You see, it's on a layer on its own and delete. So I'm going to come again. I think this is too much. This old man, I like him. Make it small here. And the kitty cat is very cute. Okay, so I come to the plus. The auto is a very, very cool feature. You come to the auto, and let's say I want to draw speakers, big speakers, but I don't know how to draw them, okay? So I come, take the marker, and I'm going to start drawing. But the minute I'm going to remove my marker, you see, it's showing me up options. Do you see that? So until now I don't see it. Okay, maybe we should connect it to a radio. Does it show now? It didn't quite understand me. Okay, let's try again. Let's try again. So I can draw it like that, but I'll make a simpler one. I'll make a speaker, but in like the megaphone one, okay? Why? No, I'm not drawing it correctly. Razvan, move. Do you see it? It's the first one and the second one and the third one. You have 3 options. So if you don't know the name of something, you can draw it and it will give you the picture. Now, tomorrow you're going on a trip. Now, we don't have a lot of time to try it, the people with Book Creator. The people that finish the poem, you're going to help the people that just came to finish their poem. And on Wednesday, you're going to try Book Creator, okay? Say bye. Say bye.